Ubayimani igama lakho sisi?
Mna igama ndinguSiphokazi Zini waseManzikrakra village. Yeah.
Louis Agri, itshintshe ubomi bakho ngeziphi indlela?
Mna to start off, ndingathi I'm a city girl by heart nje. I never thought ngaze ndizophela ndizohlala ezilalini, but ke life happens and ke ndazohlala apha ezilalini. Bendenza i-beauty before, something totally different. But vele ke we also learned even esikolweni ukuthi izinto ezikhula from the ground nje izityalo imfuyo is very important. So coming here it was ukuthi okay, life change and kwenzekile. I had to adapt.
How did you come to move to the side?
Benhlala eDurban. I used to stay in Durban and then I moved because of family issues and whatnot. So having to come up ekhaya kukulo mama must decide. So I came here and kwavela this opportunity ukuthi uyafuna abantu, and I'm thinking okay, agriculture, am I going to be able to fit age-wise? But okay, by God's grace, I'm here. The gardening program, and I was like, man, I've been wanting to know about gardening, growing herbs. It does spark an interest in doing, because it's something important. Was the pillar, and all those things. So yaqala apho ke with the interest. Growing with the company, I saw there's also opportunities in terms of entrepreneurship, business, and all those things. I phelele uba uhlala usegadini umdaka. You can also, get out there and market and be part of ukupusha community, and also collaborating with other people. Ukuthi nikwazi usebenza together and actually do something together and actually to grow into something. Exactly. So yeah.
And what would be the biggest comparison you would make in terms of like how your life was, what your perception was of agriculture before and now? Like, who are you now that you weren't then?
I would say then I was a glamorous person, Jay. I love glamour, I love beauty, I love everything about beautiful stuff. And I used to think in the Tibetan agriculture, you always have to be a farm girl or unrecognizable. And now I see it as it's the most important thing actually, because nyani siphila ngokutya, siphila ngemfuyo, siphila all of those things are say down so that they're not important. But you get to see this is also equally important in a way.
And probably just as beautiful.
As beautiful, exactly.
Right. Okay, so what do you think you're going to do when when you graduate? What are you looking forward to pursuing?
Starting with production business. You get into selling, you get into being part of how do you grow, how do you start from scratch and growing from there.
Finding yourself somewhere along the value chain, because you don't have to be at the grounds.
Working.
Yeah, you could be anywhere else in the value chain. You could be in the distribution side.
Yes.
You were in beauty, so you would know, like you're either making the products, or you're packaging them, or you're distributing them or selling them.
Exactly.
On the internet. So
exactly.
You already have the business side of things.
Yep.
Okay, can we please talk about the toolkits and how we've used them over the year that has gone by? Have you been having a good time in these home gardens? Have you had some challenges? Let's just talk about the home gardens. Anybody who wants to start?
Okay. The toolkit it was important kakhulu kum, and njengangiqala gardening yami into ezifana ne-wheelbarrow, into benizidinga kakhulu like na ngizongena apha elalini ndithengisa izinto zam esisoloko ndisebenza iwheelbarrow leyo then negaba eliya lindinceda kakhulu kwiinto ezininzi nangoku lisandincedisa ndibe ndibhizi recording yam. Thank you.
Sinayo nantsika phaa kwi-toll gate yethu i-builders lane. I-builders lane incede kakhulu because uyofumanisa uba ngoku besingenayo iplot yakho uzofumanisa uba ayinamfaneleko nguzigzag nje but since ngoku sine-builders lane uyakwazi ukwenza into ebukekayo and ke ngoku siphinde sibe nayo nantsika ne-watering can ufumanisa uba mhlawumbi ndisebenzisa itoti mhlawumbi leyobisi then igqobhoze phaa ibhek so I have to uba ndisebenzise izandla zoyi-2 ndibambe ngesinye ndigalele but now that ndine-watering can I'm using one hand. Enkosi.
Thank you. Necessary Beauty.
For me, I would say it felt like Christmas in August 1 when we first received tools zethu. It helped because you don't have to think about starting from scratch. I have to buy a spade, I have to buy a rake, all those things. It helped a lot. It helped a lot.
Okay. And lastly, this one.
Okay, i-toolkits mna first of all bengakwazi uzisebenzisa like into edibanise negaba ningakwazi uzisebenzisa because zange ndalima ebomini bam but uba lapha kwaluwe ifundise ubana ndikwazi usebenzisa ispade kahle ndikwazi usebenzisa i-wheelbarrow ufake izipinashi bona enye into endincedileyo like bengazazi uba kukho nento zesprays ofaka i-chemicals of which is ezazinto zesprays zikwazile usebenza and ndakwazi uzisebenzisa. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. If you were to improve the program in any way, let's just be honest, what is it that you would say you would add, for the next cohort?
Is bana mhlambe banga increase the number of years, duration year program, and also banganyusa nge-stipend because umsebenzi siwenzayo mninzi kakhulu. At least banganyusa ngakuhle kakhulu.
Ndingathi ngicela u-eda napha kwi-POEs umzekelo nje ngo-overall yam ngoku ayinilingani isingase mhlawumbi next time i-PPEs sorry isingase next time ukuze i-sizes accurate and ingase zifike kanye kungaphinde kuthiwa mhlawumbi isize ithile ayikho in order kakufikwa mhlawumbi i-visitor apha esayithini bafike sonke sifana ngekho umuntu unxibe into engenye xa sinxibe i-uniform sifane sonke.
Thank you.
I think in adding on to a stipend, because sometimes you find yourself comparing stipends from other areas, not with Ului Agri, but other organizations. Why do other people get paid 8,000 and I only get, this much? And sometimes it's sort of like a disadvantage. You feel like you're not doing much or whatever. So I would say stipend is very important because it sparks a more interest and more
morale.